And action. You're in action.
Oh.
Ellie, what happened to Travis's bed?
Peed in it.
Who peed in it?
Jeffrey.
Why did he?
Because him in this bed.
Oh, okay.
No bladder control.
Do you think bladder control is funny? Do something, you guys.
We are worn out.
Ellie, maybe you should...
It's round 16.
Maybe you should beat Jeffrey up. Or do that. I guess. Ellie, can you say Dorothy's Bornak? Yeah, good job. Or Zantac.
Oh no, your wine's fun.
You're gonna spill my wine.
Getting it for somebody else.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Jeffrey. Ellie, can you say hi? I'm Jeffrey.
That's pretty.
Ellie, did you pee your pants? Why aren't you wearing jeans?
No, I didn't pee my water.
Oh, it's water.
My shirt is dry.
I know, I was taping Jeffrey.
Mommy, my shirt is dry.
That's awesome. Mine is too.
You're the best director ever.